Welcome back to another video of our 1959 Massey-Ferguson Work Bowl 202 rebuild. James does such a great job in this video. He gets the entire tractor done and it runs. Here in a minute, I'll show you the engine running, but then of course I'll show you everything else that he does throughout the video. And yes, the tractor is done, but we still need to finish the loader and the backhoe. Let's go.
I'm so thankful to have a wife like this. She is more than willing to come out to the shop and help me when I need help. This front of the tractor is super, super heavy, and to try to do this by myself would have been super difficult. It don't hang correctly off the forks of the tractor. So right here, I got it jacked up and I'm balancing it in place, and she threaded it. Now I'm going back with my impact and tightening it up the rest of the way. Thank you, babe.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to install the lights. I just got putting together my new lights. This is basically the light right here. Here it is, here's the old one. And it sits inside this frame. There was 3 screws holding it in. So I put the wires back on. I got to add one more wire right here. And this goes basically, these little wires go straight to ground. This is hot positive, which I'll bring over from that wire hanging right there. But we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get these installed here. I probably should have done it before I put this piece in here, but it's gonna be all right. All right, got the holes drilled in here, and as you can see, they're ready to be painted. I got them cleaned off with acetone, so I'm gonna go hang them, prime them, and then paint them yellow. It's starting to get chilly too. I can tell it's getting dark. All right, let's see if I painted my bolts black just to keep the rust off of them. And, ooh, that's still pretty sticky. Well, we might have to call it quits for tonight then, unfortunately. All right, well, that's what we've got done so far. We got the lights in, those look pretty good. So.
I am just so amazed with James's work. I just cannot believe he did this. He took it apart in 1,000 pieces, put it back together perfectly, and it sounds amazing. I wish my grandparents were still alive to see this because they would be so impressed and so proud. Anyway, in the next video, we're going to start working on the loader to the tractor, so stay tuned for that. In real life, this thing is done and it looks amazing. We're just trying to get all these videos caught up. So anyway, have a good week and let us know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Happy homesteading!